Hello merchants. In this video, we will be doing a walkthrough on using the Merchant iBoard app. To download the app, go to the Apple Store if you are an iOS user and the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Type in FlexM and click search. You should see the app name Merchant Board by FlexM. Download the app and install. Once the app is installed, click Open. Type in your email address and password to log in. You will be prompted to key in a 4-digit PIN. Type in your desired PIN and proceed. Confirm your PIN again. For iOS users, you will be prompted to enable Face ID. Click OK to set it up or cancel to skip this process. Let's take a look on the process on how a customer makes the transactions at your store. Customer uses the Connect app by FlexM and pays through their shop.com membership card by scanning at the QR code located at your store. Customer scans the QR code at your store. Customer enters the amount that they wish to pay. Transaction is successful. Back to the Merchant iBoard app. You will see the payment has reflected in your recent transaction. To view the transaction in detail, click on the transaction. Here, you may also do a full refund to the customer with the option to indicate the refund reasons for your own reference. To do a refund, click on the Refund button. Choose a reason and submit. The refund is successful. Do note that partial refund is not allowed. Merchant must do a full refund and have customer to transact with the correct amount again. Select View All to see all transactions, both payments received and refunds. To view your settlement details, click on your profile name, select Settlement Documents, choose the period you wish to view. Click on the settlement to view the transactions settled within.